So today we start with water pollution. Before we go to the point, let's discuss what is water pollution. So what is water pollution? When substances harmful to living beings, substances which are harmful to living beings present in water, this condition is known as water pollution. So when substances harmful to living beings are present in water, pollutes the water. So this is very simply what is water pollution. So how we can identify that the water is polluted, or rather we can say what are the indicators of water pollution. What are the indicators? Bad taste. When water tastes bad, this is most commonly is the polluted water. Bad smell. Oil or grease floating on it. Oil or grease floating on the water body. Or unchecked growth of weeds in the water bodies. Unchecked growth of weeds in the water body. These are very common indicators of water pollution. So, primarily, the water, or rather the polluted water, appears to be turbid. But transparent water not always pure. Transparent in appearance, transparent water may not always be pure, as it may contain harmful colorless chemicals, and the most important thing is the presence of microorganisms. So, not all the transparent water which appears transparent is not always clear and pure, because harmful colorless chemicals and microorganisms may present in such sort of water. So let's see what are the types of water pollution. What are the types of water pollution? First of all, let us discuss with pesticides and fertilizers. These are the chemical substances, or we can say this leads to the chemical pollutants. These are the chemical pollutants. So, we know that pesticides and fertilizers both are used in the crop fields for better production of crops. But what happens? This may come to the water body as runoff from agricultural land. So, this may come to the water body by the process of runoff from the agricultural land. what happened? These pesticides are very injurious to health. Such pesticides are very much injurious to health. We know very much. Injurious to health. Particularly, it may affect the nervous system. It may affect the nervous system of human being, because these pesticides are not easily broken down or disintegrate into harmful substances. Not easily disintegrate to harmless substances. So this is the reason why pesticides often cause the water pollution. Regarding fertilizers, we have some other kind of effects. What happens with fertilizers? Fertilizers help the growth of aquatic plants. This growth of aquatic plants, particularly the weeds, aquatic weeds. So this massive or enormous growth of aquatic plants in a very, very fast rate lead to the deficiency of dissolved oxygen in water, and such case subsequently leads to the badly affects the water life, or rather aquatic life, and this particular condition is known as eutrophication. So this is the effect of water pollution, that is eutrophication. Immense growth of aquatic weeds, deficiency of dissolved oxygen badly affects the aquatic life. This particular phenomenon is known as eutrophication. Next, we come to synthetic chemicals. Synthetic chemicals, actually the chemicals produced synthetically by human, that is from the manufacture of plastics, synthetic fibers, paints, dyes, etc. So dispersal or disposal of these chemicals polluted water, and which is obviously harmful to human beings, and not only human beings, harmful to the entire aquatic life. So disposal of such chemicals into the water body, polluted water, and affects aquatic life. So this is another way how the water may get polluted. Number 3 is oil and grease. So oil spills off due to tanker accidents on seas or otherwise. So, spills out due to tanker accidents in the water body. And what is the consequences that cause a layer or form a layer over the water body? Prevents or does not allow the entry of light, affect photosynthesis, and thereby the decrease in oxygen, and finally leads to the water pollution by the decreased level of oxygen, which badly affects the aquatic animal also. So these are the basic cause of water pollution, but there are some water pollutants which we will discuss in our next episode. Thank you for testing your understanding of this lesson, and more videos. Log on to www.tubelessons.net.